Hi students, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. See the next numerical. Numericals related to work done in isothermal process. Calculate the maximum work done in expanding 16 grams of oxygen at 300 Kelvin and occupying a volume of 5 decimeter cube isothermally until the volume becomes 25 decimeter cube. So here volume change is given at a particular temperature and mass of the gas is given. We have to calculate maximum work. So say this. Here maximum work means the process is reversible. Number of moles of oxygen given mass 16 grams divided by 32 that equal to 1 by 2. Gas constant R equal to 8.314 joules. T equal to 300 Kelvin. V1 5 decimeter cube, final volume V2 25 decimeter cube. Now work done formula minus 2.303 nRT into log of V2 by V1. Substitute nRT and V1 V2. Then finally we can get maximum work done in this process, that is minus 2.01 into 10 power 3 joules. Okay. Next. 2 moles of zinc is dissolved in HCl at 25 degrees Celsius. The work done in open vessel is. Observe carefully here, reaction carried out in open vessel. So what type of process is this? Irreversible process, because open vessel means reversible reaction cannot take place. So reaction takes place in open vessel. So it is a irreversible process. W equal to minus P delta V that equal to NH2 RT. Already we know that ideal gas equation PV equal to nRT. Here H2 means hydrogen gas is released when zinc reacts with HCl. This is the equation. 2Zn plus 2 moles of zinc plus 4 HCl gives rise to 2ZnCl2 plus 2H2. So how many moles of hydrogen is released? So that is here NH2 into RT. R means 8.314, T 298 Kelvin. According to equation, number of moles of hydrogen is 2. So substitute the value minus 2 into 8.314 into 298 divided by 1000, because in the options they gave kilojoule. So we have to take R value in kilojoule. That's why we are dividing with 1000. So finally we can get minus 4.955 kilojoule. What is the option? Option B is the answer. Very simple question this one, but you have to understand open vessel work done means reaction process is irreversible. Okay. Next. Numericals related to cyclic process. Generally students feel difficult by seeing these type of diagrams. So very difficult question, very lengthy process is there. How can we get answer like this? You may fear, but question is very simple. Say this one. An ideal gas is taken around the cycle ABCA as shown in PV diagram, pressure volume diagram. This one, pressure volume diagram. The net work done during the cycle is equal to ABCA. Okay. Say this, work done in the cyclic process equal to area bounded by ABCA. Here, what is ABCA? Is it rectangle or a square or a triangle or a circle? What is this? Triangle. So area of this triangle is equal to work done in this cyclic process. So what is the formula for area of the triangle? Half into base into height. Base means this one. Height means this one. So from AC, what is the value? Up to this V1, up to this 3V1. So AC we want. Subtract 3V1 minus V1, that is 2V1. Here up to this 6P1, up to this P1. So we want AB, then 6P1 minus P1. That equal to 5P1. So half into base into height. Finally work done in this cyclic process is 5P1 V1. Next, heat absorbed by a system in going through a cyclic process shown in the figure. Here also cyclic process, but diagram is different. Here volume is taken on y-axis and pressure is taken on x-axis. Cyclic process is represented in the form of circle. So say this, for this cyclic process, change in internal energy du equal to 0 from first law of thermodynamics. U equal to Q plus W. Du equal to 0 means Q equal to minus W. Net work done by the system equal to area of the circle. So area of the circle formula, pi r square. R means radius. Say this, we want radius. Radius means the distance from center to any one point on the circle is called radius. Now see here, from this to this distance we want. This total length, how much? 30 minus 10, 20. Half of this value we want means 20, half value 10. So here also same thing, 30 minus 10. If I subtract, then we can get 20. In that 20 is equal to 20 means that is the diameter of the circle, but we want radius, so radius is 10. Pi r square, pi into 10 square, that equal to 10 square pi joules. So what is the option? Option C is the answer. Simple thing. Here area of the circle, there area of the triangle. Okay, see the next one. An ideal gas is at pressure P and temperature T in a box which is kept in vacuum within a large container. Understand carefully. Ideal gas conditions are given at P pressure, temperature T in a box. Ideal gas is there. That box is placed in a large container where vacuum is present. Now the wall of the box is punctured. What happens as the gas occupy entire container? See this diagram. This is small box. Inside this ideal gas is there at pressure P, temperature T. This box is kept in a large container. In this vacuum is there. Now to this box punctured takes place. That means a small hole is formed to this box. Then what happens? Gas can leak. It means gas occupies this container. So expansion of gas into vacuum, that is nothing but, what is that? Free expansion of gas. This is a case of free expansion of gas. Students, you should understand this point. Free expansion is always going to be irreversible. Since external pressure, P external pressure equal to 0, dW equal to minus P external pressure into dV equal to 0. No work is done in the free expansion of gas, because gas expands into vacuum. If no heat is supplied, Q equal to 0, then change in internal energy delta E equal to 0. So delta T, change in temperature, is also 0. That means we can say temperature is constant. So just theoretical question this one. Understand carefully. Temperature remains constant. What is the option? Option C is the answer. Okay. See the next one. A gas expands adiabatically at constant pressure such that T directly proportional to V power minus 1 by 2. The value of gamma of the gas will be, already we know that gamma means Cp by Cv. Okay, here Cpm, Cvm is given. Cp for monatomic gas, Cv for monatomic gas. So this is the given condition. From this we can write like this, that equal to T equal to constant divided by V power 1 by 2. So T into V power 1 by 2 equal to constant. For adiabatic process, already we know the relation between temperature and volume. T into V power gamma minus 1 equal to constant. So compare these two, then we can get gamma minus 1 equal to half, that equal to gamma equal to 3 by 2, that is 1.50. So what is the option? Option B is the answer. Okay. Next. Okay students, practice well. We'll meet in the next class.